Hi! St. Patrick's Day is a fun holiday, and today I'm going to help you spread a little green with a quick and easy St. Patrick's Day treat using the Stampin' Up! Amazing Life stamp set. My quick and easy St. Patrick's Day treat is just a little token that is so inexpensive you'll be able to make them for the whole class or office. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 18 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand stamped smiles. And stick around to the end because I'm going to show you a cute little holder that I made to hold all these quick and easy St. Patrick's Day treats. Here's a closer view of the Amazing Life stamp set. In case you didn't see it, look, we have a shamrock, and we'll be using that today for our quick and easy St. Patrick's Day treat. Now, this is from the 2019 Stampin' Up! Occasions catalog and is bundled with the very popular rectangle stitch framelit dies. And when you order the two of these together, using the special bundle item number I've listed right here, you'll save 10% on both. Now, bundle discounts are only available for the length of the catalog they're first introduced. Now, this project is really quick and easy and just, like I said, a little token. And look, we're going to use the Andes mints. Who doesn't love these? And with that shamrock, I thought, oh my goodness. And so I tried some different things. I decided to do a little topper, and I thought, would this work? And look, the circle tab punch, and it's going to work beautifully. Now, this is, like I said, inexpensive enough. You could do enough for the whole classroom, everybody at work, whatever. All right, so I start off doing Whisper White, but then the silver, with the silver in there, looks so good. So I've got some silver foil sheets here. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And look, we can get quite a few. There we go. All right, so we've got that. And then it just folds right in half. Perfect. And look, a little topper. All right, so I like the look of staples on something like this. I mean, this is an office supply looking item. So we're going to staple it right on there. But to make life a little bit easier, I have my SNAIL adhesive. I'm just gonna put a little drop in there, just a little drop, to help hold this in place while we're holding on to the big stapler. Okay, so there we go. And the stapler. All right, so now for our shamrock, I have some Whisper White thick cardstock. Thick because we're going to be coloring with the Stampin' blends. We're going to be coloring our shamrock with Call Me Clover. Ha! Look at this. The colors are fantastic for coordination. So first we're going to stamp with the Tuxedo Black Memento ink pad. All right. And this is, like I said, so inexpensive you could do quite a few. So you could just keep stamping. Well, you know, keep stamping along the whole thing. All right, we'll put this aside and then we'll color. And I've got the light Call Me Clover for our 4-leaf clover here. Aha. And then we'll do some shading with the dark. I love the Stampin' blends. Coloring with them is easy and shading is a breeze. All right, there we go. Now with the dark, I'm going to use the smaller tip and go along the sides here of each of the 4 petals. And then let's do where all those dots are. I tried dotting, but it just was easier just to connect the lines. Okay, and then finish blending out with the light. Oh, there we go. Super easy project. Like I said, but you can share some green. Maybe you can save some from getting pinched. And so what works perfectly with the circle tab punch is the 3/4 inch circle punch. So slide that to open it up and then center it in here. Now a lot of times I do my stamping before my coloring, but this is really easy to center in here. There we go. Aha. Fantastic. Isn't that great? So we still get part of the stem, and then all we need to do is adhere it, and the mini glue dots is a really nice choice. I really like them when I have a non-porous surface like the silver foil sheets. And then there's so much green, there's very little white, so we've got mostly silver and green going on to coordinate with the wrapping of our Andes mints. And so I found a small bag, oops, probably because that's wet. When doing these for yourself, give it a little bit of time to dry. I found a small bag of only 11 at Dollar Tree for $1. But I thought if somebody wanted to make a lot more, I went looking online, and the best price I found was for a nice big quantity was on Amazon. I'll have a link to those. There we go. How cute is this? And so, like I said, very inexpensive. And I promised to show you that, well, if you want to set these out someplace for everyone to just come by and grab one, look what I did. Well, I'm going to show you first. It started off with the silver mini Gable box. Well, I cut the top off, and look, now we have a nice little sturdy box, and these will set in here. You can't, so nicely. Won't they be really cute on the desk? And so what I wrapped around was the silver edged white ribbon, and then I've got the Call Me Clover. Very, very cute. I tried wrapping the two of them around together and tying one big bow, and I kept fooling, and that didn't look so good, so I finally just put the silver edged. Here we go. I want to make sure I get the right name. Yeah, the silver. There we go. Very, very pretty. And the Call Me Clover Grosgrain ribbon. And so sitting on your desk, that will look oh so lovely and so tempting that everyone will want to grab one of your quick and easy and very inexpensive St. Patrick's Day treats. If you'd like to spread around a little green this St. Patrick's Day, all the supplies to make my quick and easy St. Patrick's Day treat are listed below the video and available to order now in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelly Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.